All right, so I have this right here. This is Tide washing machine cleaner. I bought this to clean out my washing machine, washer machine, whatever you want to call it. It's superior odor and residual remover, which I need because there's a lot of residual in there and there is some odor now. All right, so in this pack, it shows how to actually do it. It says for front load and top load. For top load, you just drop it down in there. Front load, you put it in the bin. You do not put it in the dispenser. You put it directly in the tub. Instructions for any washing machine: pour 1 pouch of Tide washing machine cleaner directly in your washer tub where odor and residuals can occur. All right, so let me go ahead and do this. It says an oxidated formula or oxygenated formula. Excuse me, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. And the packs come like this. It looks like some sort of detergent. I'm actually gonna open it up so you can see what it looks like on the inside before I pour it inside of my washing machine tub. All right, go ahead and cut it open where it says cut open right here. And you look inside, it looks similar to washing machine powder. All right, smells quite fresh. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and place this in my washing machine. And if you weren't paying attention, like I wasn't, it says just to place in a normal wash for best results. Run washer on normal cycle, select the hot water setting, which I'm gonna do. It shows the hot water setting right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I'm gonna go over and I'm going to put this in my washer machine. Ooh, spilled it down here. Clean it up, but there's still a lot left in there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and place this, all right, inside of my washing machine. Got some of that in there. Gonna sweep that up. It looks like a full thing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and shut it. And like it said, I'm gonna turn it on. And then I'm gonna select the normal wash, and then the hot setting. All right, it's a hot setting right there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start it. All right, should be done. So I'm gonna open it up and it smells fresh in here. Looks pretty clean. The Tide did a great job. No more crud around there. All right, this is a little tip. Now, I like to keep this air out because what happens is moisture builds up inside of there and you get mildew that build up in there and it starts to smell. So I like to keep it crack a little bit in order for it to air out. Now, if you have small children or pets around, I really discourage this because it could be a safety hazard, and it is quite a safety hazard. So use this at your own risk, but I keep it cracked like there till it airs out, and then I shut it all the way. All right, thanks a lot for watching.